You think of a word that you would use to describe that activity, and a majority of the survey participants in the case did agree that the term was Google. And that was when the judge at the lower court and on appeal, when it was affirmed, when they made their ruling, they all assumed that it has become generic in some sense as a verb. And so the guy turned in front of us.
Yeah, I had somebody do that to me not that long ago. The one that really scared me, though, was the guy that ran the red light at
Oh, Jesus!
Ha! Instant justice. Bet you won't run a red light again, will ya?
Wait till it hits winter, babe. Middle of winter.
I still
Wait
tan in the
for
winter.
it. I burn in the winter.
Yeah, what the
Yes.
How does a school not notice that a 10-year-old child is missing? We're going to talk about that with our roundtable in the next half hour. Roundtable is brought to you by the Simple Investor, making the world of real estate investment simple. It's 7:30.
Breaking news.
I'm Tiffany Hensby from the News Talk 1010 newsroom, where word is coming in of a possible explosion in Vaughan this morning. Now, that has yet to be confirmed. This is on Wings Road near...
Manual recording will now start.
God bless America. Oh my God!
Oh, we gotta stop and see if he's okay. Oh my God.
25 miles an hour! Get the Learn how to go the speed limit, buddy!
Careful. Lisa, Ryan, we've got an accident. We've had an accident. This guy just stopped right in front of us. And we're going to be, it's our fault. You don't stop in front of us. You don't stop in front of a moving rig like that.
Well, he stopped for the other rig.
I know.
Give me my insurance.
Excuse me, you!
Look, shut up. Don't start acting up.
Well, look at him. Where's your phone? You get out too.
You can't get off this side.
Get out this side.
We're in an accident, so we have to stop here and change papers.
I can't even find my camera. Get out and do it.
Shut up.
Shut up.
You're doing such a terrible move all the time.
Just get